I get a update video here in the kitchen. A lot has changed. I did not do a good middle update video. Cabinets in, floors in, appliances. There's minor paint touch-ups. Trims in. It's really down to the last little bit. We got to order more black shoe mold for the side of the cabinets. We got to put these false doors on the side of the island here. Obviously, countertops still have to be put in. The customer wanted white trim and then black door and window trim. So that's what we did, at least in this room. And over there is still the older wood style. And then they're going to end up getting new black windows here. So, as you can see, a lot more open in here. The original kitchen design had this wall go all the way to there, and it was just a very minimal, like 30 or 32 wide doorway here. And then now the bump out over here is all finished. We're going to do some form of a built-in. This is where the microwave's actually going to go. It's going to have its own cart for the microwave. And we got to do some, like I said, some type of built-in. I don't know if we're going to temporarily just do a coat rack for them to get them by, because it's the first week of December here, or second week. So they got a Christmas party coming up. But yeah, this is where we're at with everything. Get you another updated video when hopefully we have countertops in and everything else. We did gold sink, gold faucet, black and gold, or black and brass, however you prefer. And then all the lighting has night light functions. So that they can leave this stuff on at night. A lot of lighting in here.